When it comes to nature, Bhakti Yoga teaches us not only to respect nature as the opulence of the Supreme, but also to understand how to interact with nature for the highest purpose. Human beings have a high mission: self-realization, enlightenment. We can take from nature, the yoga texts explain, as much as we need to accomplish that divine purpose, the ultimate goal of yoga and meditation. Pure loving connection with the ultimate source, Krishna. Automatically then, our ecological footprint will lighten. That is, once we clarify, rectify our purpose for living, then our modus operandi, our methodology for interacting with nature becomes more clear. And also, of course, our methodology for interacting with other human beings and other living entities becomes clear. Living in a human body is an enormous responsibility. Human beings avoid their true mission, and in this way cause such damage to nature, to themselves, and to other living entities. We can correct all that by developing devotional qualities, which are not simply sentiment, but core values for interaction and connection. This is what Krishna is offering in the prime Bhakti Yoga text, Bhagavad Gita.